Hi guys, today what I'm making is a slime. And I know you watched my other video, but it's time for the slime. And how to make it is an ingredient of glue, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and that's all. So you just need like kind of this and whatever fork you want. So let's get started. Okay, so I get been started already. So first you put glue. Okay, that's enough. Next you put sugar because it will work. Next you mix it. You see it? And that's how you make it. Because it's gonna get more slimier and slimier. And of course it is slime. I don't want to touch it. And this, you have to put it like somewhere, and tomorrow you can open it and touch it. Because I put it a lot right here already. So now I'm going to put it right here so tomorrow I can touch it. And that will work, I promise. Here's my slime. My slime or slime. There isn't perfect. They are slimy. Okay. So I put it right here, and here's my liquid. I just do it with a soap container because well, I want to do it. That's all. So thanks for watching my video, and please comment down below and give it a thumbs up. And please comment down below on my video and comment share my video, and bye.